Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing, and today there's gonna be a different unboxing. So a couple of items arrived in the lab, and I just like to unbox them with you because I don't know what they are. So I also like to ask you guys, what items you like me to check out first. So just to get a grasp of, what items are interesting to you guys. So a couple of items. Maybe let's start with the top. This guy. So, look at that kind of box. It's different, and yeah, of course, this will have their own unboxings. All of these, we're just gonna show you guys what's like, unboxing some stuff that arrived in the studio. But yes, for sure, this will be like mostly audio stuff. But I'm actually waiting for the T2 Plus. That's something that I am really eager to look at. And also the Blown 05. So those two are my top things that I want to look at, but there's some other stuff also that's being sent to me, and I would like to know what they are. So this is a pretty interesting package. I'm not sure if this is Chi-Fi, because usually this kind of packaging for Chi-Fi, it's mostly like a box, but this looks different from the other stuff that I have unboxed so far. What is this? Oh, it's a Kinera. It's a TWS, I think so. Cool. So what's this one? It's the Kinera YH623 truly wireless in-ear monitor, on the go, Bluetooth AAC, auto, true sound via wireless. Kinera is a pretty popular brand in the wired space, so put this aside. And you have a Kinera 6mm micro dynamic driver, Bluetooth 5.0, Qualcomm and aptX support, which is cool. Touch control and can be used separately. Gold in color. Nice. Nice color. A quite unique color for TWS. That's our first item unboxed. Maybe let's go with this one, because it's quite busy in terms of the packaging. Did a fast forward in this because it's very hard to unbox. But what is this one? This looks cool packaging wise, actually. So wow, Starfield. Finally, Starfield in the studio. So it's Moondrop, of course, and yeah, Moondrop. I'm slowly being more of a fan of Moondrop, in the Chi-Fi space. Starfield, really cool. You have that configuration, and you have the different packaging. Moondrop always has that kind of anime look, which is interesting. So they know the market, Next up, so this one is, I'm not sure what this is one. Yeah, I have stuff coming from all over the place, so I'm not sure what this is like. But I do like to check out the Starfield. It's a long time coming. I have a lot of delayed reviews here in the channel. So, what's this one? SE16. What's this? Oh, it's a TWS SE16S. Power supply of 5 volts, 108 sensitivity, 60-minute charging time. Call duration 3 hours, music played in 4 hours, 20 to 20 kHz. And you have that battery indicator, which is cool. And looks quite premium from the get-go. Minimalist design, so cool in this one. Okay, putting that aside, and we're gonna go to the big one, or maybe later. Let's just go with this one first. So this one. So right now, I'm actually interested in the Starfield. That may be one of our first stuff that we can unbox. What's this one? Now this one is a bit different. It doesn't come in a box. But what is this one? So this one is what's this? Oh, TN Hi-Fi. It's a T2 Plus. Cool. It doesn't have a box. That's interesting. T2 Plus. Finally, we have the T2 Plus. Really interested in this one. This might even go first because it's been a long time since they shipped it to me, so I need to check that out. Maybe I'll go with this one, so we'll have more space in the camera. But T2 Plus, really interested in that. I might look at that first for our next unboxing, because yeah, I'm really late with my reviews, and a lot of you guys have been asking for the T2 Plus, so I might go with that. Oh, these are 3 items, several items in this one. So yeah, the stores that supplies or gives this to me, I'm gonna link it all down below. Support them because they support the channel also. Smabat, what's this one? AT20 wired. Putting that aside. Smabat, I haven't reviewed a Smabat yet, so I don't know what to expect. TRN, oh, BT20S. Cool. A lot of you guys have been asking me about this one, so I'm happy that this is now in the lab, so I can check it out for you guys. So I do recommend, getting a wired IM and then getting, just a wireless adapter, and maybe this is the answer to your TWS woes if you want to go for a TWS, functionality, because this is, fully wireless. You have that, of course, module at the back, which can be maybe too big, so I'm gonna maybe test these out for you if it's too cumbersome or too big to use. But really cool that we have this. I think this comes from AK Store, so thank you AK Store for sending this over, this big package. KZ, what's this one? KZ, another KZ. What's this one? Okay, so AS12, nice. So we did review the CCA C12 in the lab, and it's one of our top 5s. So really cool that you have the AS12. This is older compared to the C12, so I'm not sure how this will perform for sure, but we're gonna find out in the review. And more stuff. Another KZ, cool. What's this one? A16, cool. I just reviewed the CCA CA16, and it's more in the relaxed side, very CCA. But I'm pretty sure this one might be a little bit more aggressive to your CCA, but really cool that we have this to check out. And I think there's one more, or oh, more tips, cool. And yeah, there's still more stuff here, more tips. Thank you for sending me additional free stuff. Putting that aside, and I'm gonna fix the camera, so it will be kind of cool to look at. 2 more packages. Right now I'm really interested in the T2 Plus and the Starfield and the BT20S. So yeah, that's not really the problem, but it's my challenge to which to review first. So I usually just go with something that I really like. I think I know what this one is. This may go first, I think. I think this is the Blonde 05. Let's see. You have a Blonde. You have a case, which is cool. And then finally we have the Blonde 05. Believe, Let the Music Burn. OPOT, of course. Annotation, music, and dreams. They didn't change it. They just stick with it. So I don't know. Up to you if you like that or not. Music and dreams, a manufacturer, and yeah, look at that. Finally, we have the Blonde 05. I am the the reviewer with the most late reviews. Oh, cool! You have additional cables. Nice. I did change the cables in my Blonde, so maybe I need to use that and more tips. So cool that manufacturers are giving tips. I don't know if it's just me, but that's cool that you have additional stuff. And the shell. Okay, I think this is the last one. So yeah, let me know down in the comments below which one you prefer to go first. Okay, so that's just this one. And the inside. Yeah, I actually want to check out a lot of stuff in this unboxing, so that's really cool. And this one is the KZ ZSTX. Wow, this is the newest one in this group. Wow, this is a pretty cool unboxing actually. So you have the T2 Plus, 05, Starfield. Those are my top ones that I want to check out in this unboxing, and the ZST Pros also. Yeah, a lot of stuff to check out. Yeah, that's our unboxing for today actually. So we're not gonna listen to anything, but we're gonna unbox and show you guys what's arrived in the lab. And I want to hear from you guys what items you like me to check out first, what's more interesting to you, and let them down in the comments below. Actually, this may go to zpol channel because it's quite a number of boxes here, so I will have more feedback. I don't know, you're gonna know if it's uploaded to zpol unboxing or the zpol channel. But that's our unboxing for today. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like and subscribe for more content like this in the future, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.